Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine a 3-tool YouTube system pulling in $14,000 a month, with no camera, no face, and total freedom. Ready to change your life? Welcome to the Faceless Shorts Factory. Stick with me and I'll show you how to earn $14K a month without ever showing your face. Let's dive in. Student loans piling up, promotions crawling, freedom nowhere in sight. You know YouTube can change that, but you hate being on camera. Good news, with smart automation and existing footage, the lens never has to point at you. Embrace the freedom of faceless content creation and start your journey today. Our tool number 1, Pexels, for royalty-free visuals and videos. Thousands of royalty-free clips, business B-roll, cinematic drone shots, lifestyle scenes, completely free. Download in seconds, and your video looks like a $1,000 production without touching a camera. Elevate your content effortlessly. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs studio quality voiceovers made easy. Paste your script, click generate, and out comes a studio quality voice that sounds more real than most YouTubers. No microphone, no retakes, just perfect audio every single time. It's that simple. With ElevenLabs, you can focus on your content while we handle the rest. Perfect audio every time. Tool number 3, CapCut Desktop, the editing powerhouse for creators. Drag in your Pexels footage and ElevenLabs voiceover, drop animated text and trending sounds, then export in vertical format with one click. CapCut turns raw parts into viral shorts. Fast, free, frictionless. Share your creation and watch it go viral. Put it all together. Pexels for visuals, ElevenLabs for voice, CapCut for edits. This is your Faceless Shorts Factory, a scalable asset that earns money while you sleep. Start creating today. Stop trading hours for dollars, subscribe now, and activate your financial future. Let's make the algorithm work for you. Don't wait, your journey to financial freedom starts today. Click subscribe and join our community.